Welcome to the UC Berkeley Aging Research and Technology Summit, Into the Future. We're delighted to be with you today to share with you some of the innovations, research, advances that are going on in the area of working with older adults as we now come out of a difficult societal period, but to see how we have worked throughout this time with researchers, students, and colleagues and different stakeholders throughout the country on new ways to advance and help older adults, family caregivers, and the providers that work with them. I'm David Lindeman, Director of Citrus Health at University of California, Berkeley, and would like to welcome you to a very exciting program. We have reconvened after a few years to now have our annual Aging Research and Technology Summit. And today you will be hearing from a wide range of individuals, some of the stellar researchers in the University of California system, including our Berkeley campus, and also colleagues that we have been working with over the past few years. Today you will be able to listen to programs related to advances in the hard sciences, social sciences, and new technology advances in this space. We look forward to you learning, joining us, and participating as we bring to you some of the best programs that have been developed over these last few years. Today, you will hear both from our distinguished chancellor from the University of California, Berkeley, as well as specific awards that will be provided to one of our distinguished faculty members, but also specific programs that engage not only research entrepreneurs, technologists, but older adults themselves. So without further ado, I'd like to welcome you. I hope that you enjoy the program and look forward to sharing with you some very exciting material as we move forward through Aging Research and Technology Summit.
Hello, and welcome to the Fall 2022 Annual Aging Research and Technology Summit. I'm Susan Hoffman, the director of UC Berkeley's Osher Lifelong Learning Institute. OLLI, as we're known, is 3,000 older adults learning together, being involved in research, and engaging undergraduates in intergenerational discussion. It's been a wonderful 15 years for OLLI at Berkeley, and we join a network of Osher institutes across the country. As you heard from my collaborative partners from Citrus and CREA, our intention with the summit is to show the import of capturing the range and complexities of the issues, but also the possibilities of an aging society. Thank you for joining us.
Hello, I'm Professor George Brooks from the UC Berkeley Department of Integrative Biology and currently chair of the Center for Research and Education on Aging, called CREA. It's a genuine pleasure to welcome you to today's Aging Research and Technology Summit. This is the third time we have done this, and it's been my pleasure all along to collaborate with Dr. David Lindeman, Director of Citrus Health, and Susan Hoffman, Director of OLLI, the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute. We believe that we have put together a wide-ranging and in-depth program of presentations on the causes of aging, their influences on daily life, and remediation of aging effects. Now, as chair of CREA, I'd like to tell you about our efforts. Our mission is to investigate the basic processes that cause aging with the goal of improving and extending human health span. CREA investigates and utilizes the efforts of cell biology and molecular biologists. We incorporate the work of structural and computational biologists, geneticists, physiologists, and public health experts. These are really great intellectual assets here at the University of California, Berkeley. As foreshadowed by Chancellor Christ in her address earlier today, it will be my pleasure to tell you a bit more about the career of Paolo Timiris and the founding of CREA. And most importantly, when I return, I will introduce the Timorous Award recipient, Dr. Judy Campisi. So for now, enjoy this third Aging Research and Technology Summit, and I'll see you later.